All right. So, welcome. Kim, at this point, it's you and Leonie and myself, but we are recording because eventually we will make this available to the community, and people have the luxury of looking and watching in their own time. So, once again, welcome and just thank you for making this time. Leonie and I just thought, you know what, with this opportunity that we know about. We just needed to have some form of communication in which we announce, this to our community and make sure that they are well aware of what is ahead so that if you have the means and you are able to take, this by, both hands, that this is the time that you do it. And yeah, so this is really why we're here. That is for myself and Leonie. We are the two coaches on this platform, giving you a very, very warm welcome and just so grateful that in a week's time that we were able to not just get the traction to the community that we've had, but also to have the members that we had. And today was one of the days where I would wanted to say ladies, and then I realized I have to say ladies and gentlemen. So, how blessed are we that we also have a gentleman on our platform? We're also very excited. I mean, that just brings dynamic, that just brings, you know, um, I think it's just the various strengths I think that it brings to our community in terms of what we all have to contribute. So today I will be giving over to Leonie to take us through. Like I said, this is one of those points in time where we can change the trajectory for the rest of the year. And that is what Leonie and I want to bring to you today. So, Leonie, over to you. Oh, it's my network. You're on mute, Leonie.
Oh, hello, everyone. Leandri already welcomed you, and I hope you feel at home. As she said, we are two coaches here. It's me, Leandri. We have seen the opportunity to start in the online space, to start helping moms, start helping people out there that they understand what is the online space, what is digital marketing, what is affiliate marketing. And that is the reason why we put heads together and we start this community. And I believe this is a sign from God. I believe this is a new door that God is opening for us to minister to so many people out there, to minister globally to so many women out there. Because I've realized now with the past Mother's Day, there is so many moms that they are carrying the weight of their family, they're carrying the weight of bills that are piling up, carrying weight of being a single mom, being a mom and a dad. There is so many things going on in the world right now. And at the moment, we are at the receiving end because what do the kids do? They come running to us, not to the dad, to us. So, yes, for all the men on here or are going to watch this, there's just a special thing about a mom and a woman. So bear with us. I want to take you through the system that we're currently having, and I want to just explain to you. But you have to stay tuned because at the end of this webinar, I want to share something very, very special with you. So, Leandra, you can share the screen, and so we can get going.
Do that. Thank you, Leonie.
Okay, let's go and let's grow together. I want to share with you why most people stay stuck online. There is so many opportunities in the online space. The internet is open to everyone, and people are getting confused. So you scroll here and you say, "Oh my goodness, this one is selling this. Oh my goodness, is that?" And you're getting confused, and then you stay stuck for longer than you are actually realizing because there's too many opportunities, there's too many noises on the online space. And that is also the reason why I've created this community, to have something of our own, something that we can call our own, because we all know. the internet doesn't sleep, number one. Secondly, the social media doesn't belong to us. So if we have a community that people can start trusting us, we can build something beautiful. And so many people overthinking every single post they need to post, every single thing, every move on the online space. If you have an online business, I want to encourage you not overthink it, because the devil is also there on the other side. He don't want you to move forward. So you overthink, you don't post, and you stay stuck. And you are actually unsure what you are selling. If you have a digital product, or you have a digital program, or you just want to start in the online space, sometimes you don't know the program. So it's very important to know your product, to know your program, so that you can share with other people. Because at the end of the day, when you start in the online space, you are 10 to 20% much better than the one that's sitting on the couch and still overthinking it and still not sure if they want to take that move. And some people are starting a thing, they stop, they restart again, and it's keeping them stuck for too long. And that is the most things that keep people stuck in the online space. The online space pay people that are consistent. So we all hear this word, or all hear this saying that say consistency is key. Even when I was small, I was a youngster, my mom used to say consistency is key. So consistency is key, even in the online space. Next, you can move to the next slide,
Yeah,
because there is
awesome.
normally three things that people can create online. Uh, I want to discuss the three things that actually create online income. So we know that the world is moving digital. We know that the world is moving online. Nowadays, we are ordering our food online. We are ordering groceries online. We are ordering our clothes online. Everything is going online. And the three things that can actually create an online income for you is attention. It's attention, because I just want to, people need to find you simple content that you can create. Not perfect, just simple content. That is where you can draw attention to your business. And obviously, secondly, you must have an offer. What are you helping people with? But because you can have the best program, you can have the best product in the online space. But if your offer is not helping people getting out of their mess, getting out of what they want out of life, then then it's not helping you at all, because your offer is not about the offer, it's about the outcome. It's not about the vehicle, it's about the destination. And that is where most beginners freeze, because they are keep on talking about the vehicle, and they're not speaking about the outcome, the destination. Because we all get the vehicle, we all can get the offer, but the moment you don't know how to sell it, how to present it to the world, you are freezing. So this is just a hot tip. Don't sell the vehicle, sell the destination. You have to have a system that actually do the work for you. You know that even when you're offline, you must have a system that's there for you 24/7, a system that send out emails, the system that answer your emails, a system that is taking care of your business when you are offline. I'm not saying be offline all the time, but you have to have a system in place that is doing the heavy lifting for you. And that is the three things that's actually creating an income for you online. If you have that three things, oh my goodness, you're good to go. Next.
Oh, Nia, I'm so sorry. Okay, there we go.
Okay, then we all know we are scrolling on social media, we are watching other people, but I want to encourage you tonight. There's the scroll to sales system. I've been scrolling, I've been watching other people, but I want you. They say an average person is scrolling 6 hours per day on the internet. But if you are one of them, and then you are leaving money on the table. And I want to encourage you, take 2 to 3 hours a day. This is exactly what it costs. Just focus hour instead of endless scrolling. Post one valuable piece of content every single day. Send it one single page to people and let the follow up system do the heavy lifting. That is all. People always think when you start an online business, oh my goodness, you have to be tech savvy, you have to do this, you have to be this big influencer, you must have a following in the online space, you must be that person and you must have experience, but it's simple things that can create an income for you in the online space. You just need to start. You have to make that decision because nobody can make it for you. If you can turn your 2 to 3 hours a day into your scrolling into sales, then you set yourself up for success because you just need valuable content that you can post on social media. You can send it to people, maybe a one pager, and you can let your system do the follow up for you. That is it. That is how easy the online space become. Next. Okay, so let me tell you how the process work. So step one, content. What is content? You have to use social media to create content and post it like people can discover you. Secondly, you must have a page that they can learn about your offer. The page is actually your website, your funnel, whatever you want to call it. When I started in the online space and they spoke about funnel here and funnel there, I was thinking, oh my goodness, I only know a funnel that I use in the kitchen. But I've come to learn, I've come a long way, but I've learned what is a funnel. A funnel is actually your website. You must have a website with your offer in that people can go, your house. You must invite them into your house so that they can learn about your offer. Step three, your emails. The system is following up automatically, but you have to have emails in place. Did you ever order from Shein, from Takealot, from Amazon, all those people? Do you think they are sitting 3 o'clock in the morning and sending you email? Oh no, you're not that special. It's automations. People are automating their business, automated the emails, and the emails is doing the follow up. Step four, sales. Income becomes scalable because you don't do all the work. You just show up, you just do the things that you need to do, and your system is doing everything for you. You're heavy lifting, your system is sending out the emails, the system is full. The world is going digital. I love it where the world is going. Sometimes I don't understand these things, but I'm learning every single day. And I cannot thank God enough for this opportunity, to be honest, because I earn and learn at the same time. But it's an amazing journey, and I want you to come with us. Next, please. Okay, so what I wish someone told me earlier before I started my own online business, they should tell me that you do need a system, the right system, not just the system, you need the right system. And consistency is key. It's your clear roadmap. There's no way that you cannot be consistent. So you don't need everything figured out. You don't need to know everything about funnels and leads and websites and all those things. You just need to have that heart inside of you and say, come high water. I don't want to be there anymore. You don't need a perfect branding. You can start as you go. You can learn and grow at the same time. And you don't, as I said earlier, you don't need a huge audience. You build your audience as you go, as you build your confidence, as you build your business, you build your audience, as you build your brand, you build everything together. You don't need to be perfect to start. I thought your videos must be perfect. I must speak perfectly English. Oh my word. But I've learned through the time that my English is okay for the world outside there. So, next, please. Don't put yourself so many burdens on yourself to be the perfect one, to be the one that you need to be perfect. No, 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 no. You don't need to be perfect. You really don't need to be perfect. I just want to see. Um,
The real
um,
cost.
yes, but my eyesight is not that good. I'm gonna do it from my
Mm,
phone. So the real cost of figuring it out all on your own. This is what it is. You are trying to build an online business from scratch. Usually means paying for funnels. There's the funnel thing again. You must pay for funnels if you want to start and figure it out all on your own. It means like you actually have to pay your own funnel. You must pay the software, and it can cost you up to $49 per month. You must have your own website set up. You must have your design, and that is not less than a 300 US dollars. Then must have copywriting training, whether you want to know it or not. Copywriting is key for starting your own online business, and that would cost you around 497 US dollars. Um, Coaching and mentoring. I'm doing coaching, and my cost is 97 US dollars per month. Leandri is also coaching, 97 US. This is what it will cost you on a monthly basis. And endless trial and errors is priceless, because you must test this, you must try it, and you must test this, and this is not working out, and you must do this and do this. But it's an endless, and it's priceless. You have a lack of clarity and confidence, because we all know when you start in the online space, you don't have clarity, you don't have the confidence. Do you think I was confident on the online space when I started? No, I was scared as hell when I started. I was thinking, what would people think of me? What would they say if they see my face? I was so scared. But guess what? I was just practicing, because I know I'm doing it for my family. And I know 6 months from that time, I don't want to find myself in the same position. And I was just pushing through the layers. I've put my blinders on, and I've ran my race, because I was sick and tired of living the way I lived. And the bills that is continuing piling up, oh my goodness, that is equal stress, because the stress is never ending. Crying in the shower is never ending. You see the bills, you know you have to rob Peter to pay Paul. You know things are not working out for you. But deep down in your heart, you know, I'm meant for more. I know I'm meant for more. And that is your why. That is the where you have to push and say, oh my goodness, I'm not going to stay stuck here. I'm going to move forward, and I'm not going to figure it out all on my own. Plus, you have no guarantee of any direction. You still need the product, and you're still learning how to sell it. That would cost you around 2,500 to up to 5,000 US dollars just to get started. This is not the confidence. This is not the things that's going on. This is not the time that you are putting in. And we all know time is one thing that we cannot get back. Time is one thing that is priceless. Because you put in your time, you trial here, you error here, and things are not working out. And sometimes you are so stressed that you give up. That is the cost of figuring it out all on your own. It's a priceless situation. And even if you have to put the funnels in place, you have the copywriting in place, it still will cost you money between 2,500 and a 5,000 US dollars. And then you didn't even get started yet. Next slide. And if you have even if you have unlimited time to figure it out, that is absolutely possible. You can have the time, you can figure it out, but we want to scale fast. And if you want the shortcut, a done for you system, it's already through the trial and error. It's already proven to work. And that is what most people are doing now. There is clear step by step guidance in a done for you system. There's coaching and mentoring, there's community support. And I'm telling you, you must actually put community first, because community consists of a global community around the world, and it's people that are real to you, people that started where you started at the bottom, people that want to see you win, people that push you over the winning line. That is what community is. And you have multiple income opportunities in the online space. You think you invest in a done for you program, and then at the end of the day, there is so many opportunities that's opening for you, that at the end of the day, oh my goodness, you just don't stop learning. And your community is there, they are pushing you, they crying with you, they celebrate every win with you, they are wiping your tears, even virtually they are doing that. And that is the smartest way to start an online business. Then you don't have stress. You just push through the layers and you go on. Next, please.
The DMS Pro.
So, what I you can just go back a little bit. What I wanted to share with you is I've talked about a lot of things now. I've talked about how you can do it on your own, how much it will cost you, and all those things. But I've invested in a Done For You program that completely changed my life. I'm going to share with you what is in our Done For You programs and how you can become part and partial of that. You can go next.
Okay. So the DMS Pro.
Okay, we have the DMS Pro. That is our biggest baby. That is the DMS Pro. You get a done for you setup, completely set up for you. You get the resale rights of the Pro and you get the resale rights of the starter program. You are getting 12 exclusive PLR products. What does it mean? Private labeling resale rights products where you can sell and earn 100% profit. You can sell it in your store, you can brand it your way, you can do it just you can do it the way you want to do it. You can do it and you can sell it and you get 100% profit. You get a 30-day content strategy. Oh my goodness, you will never think about content again because everything is inside your program for 30 days. Imagine that, showing up for 30 days, visible for 30 days, be consistent for 30 days without creating your own content because you are getting the content inside the Pro. You get a faceless marketing blueprint. So many people ask me, do I really need to show my face? Because there's two reasons why people don't want to show their face. Sometimes people still have a 9 to 5 job. Sometimes people employment contract does not allow them to do a second job. That is why people prefer to go faceless. And some of them are thinking, "Oh my goodness, what would people think of me if I'm going on the internet? If they see me?" You have that fear for people. You have that fear of what if you fail. You fear for so many things. That is why some people go there, and some people just like the faceless thing. I want to ask you something. Did you ever see that the human face of Apple? We all love the Apple brand. We all love the iPhones, the iPad, and the what you know. And I never saw the face behind it. They are promoting it only with Apple. It is faceless marketing, and that brand is so known to everyone, even the kids. They want Apple. Everything is Apple. But do you want to ask them to eat the apple? No, they don't want to eat the apple because it's too healthy for them. But when you talk about an Apple iPhone, you talk about an iPad, then they know very, very well. They even know it better than you. So that is faceless marketing. It's a blueprint that we are giving to you. That is advanced launch strategy, a roadmap how you can earn your first 10K. And that is the roadmap where you can follow and get to your 10K. You get a perfect customer masterclass. Who is your perfect customer? Normally it's you. What you are going through, why did you start, how life was treating you. So you get that perfect masterclass. You can tweak it the way you want it, and then you also get a magnetic sales formula. And you can also learn how to create your own digital products. Imagine that for a moment. You buy it done for you, you get 12 products for free, and you can create your own digital product and you can still sell it for 100% profit. You get templates that is included in the digital product. You get so many templates, that is, you get certification. You can be certified as an online entrepreneur or as an online mentor, is an as an online coach. Oh, the English is not tonight on my side, but it's okay. I'm okay. And then you get pot coaching. Pot coaching is gold because you are sitting in a room with like-minded people, 5, 6, 7, 8 figure earners that are teaching you, that are coaching you, and that want to see you win. That's part of the community. And you get guest expert trainings. So now and then, maybe every month, there's a guest speaker coming on, come share what he or she knows, and then you can learn from them. And here's the truth: we are not overcharging people. Definitely not. We genuinely want more people winning online, and that is why we cannot go sell the DMS Pro for 2,500, between 2,500 and 5,000 US dollars. We only have, just for you, 1,197 US dollars, plus you have a $75 activation, the IT company that is building your website for you, that is creating your email address for you, because we are not playing small. We're walking with the big dogs now, which means we don't using Gmail. We get professional email, we get your website done, you get everything done for you. That is only for 197 US dollars and 75 as your activation fee. And you must remember your program is once off. And everything that changes in the online space, if there's new modules coming, if there's something changing in the online space, we just add it to your program. And that is it. And you don't pay extra. That is how kind we are in this community. Next, please.
The starter.
Okay, then you get the starter. This is for persons ready to begin. They want to start from the bottom. They don't understand the online space. This is for someone that really wants to start. They want to earn. They want to build their confidence, and they want to explore income opportunities in the online space. That is what the starter is for. You also get the done for you business setup. You also get resale rights. No, not no, 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 no. That one is wrong. You only get resale rights to the starter, not
Starter.
the.
Yeah.
Oh, yes, that one is wrong. And then you're getting 5 exclusive PLR products that you can brand it your way, you can make it your own, and you can sell it in an online store, and you can make 100% profit. You also get a 30-day content plan. You get the faceless marketing strategy. You get an advanced strategy to 5K. So, and you get also your perfect masterclass, perfect customer masterclass, where you can find who your perfect customers, how to tweak it your way. You get the magnetic sales formula. I'm telling you, this girl is on fire. I'm calling mine Tessa. And Tessa is now nice. Tessa is creating my content for me. Tessa know exactly what I'm going through. She's my 24/7 coach in a pocket. I can ask her anything. I can even complain about my husband to her. She will give me advice. You get product creation and training and templates. That is what you are getting inside the inside the DMS starter. So you get the bonuses inside both programs is live Zoom calls. There's newbie onboarding call. If you start now, we will have a newbie call on Tuesday. So, yes, if you start now, you will know exactly what's going on. So, you get the AI Twin module, that the AI Twin is showing up for you on the days that you don't feel like. Sometimes you don't feel like it. Sometimes life happens. You are traveling, or you're sick in bed, or just want to lay in because it's winter. So your AI twin can show up for you. Can you imagine that? Your secret sales weapon. She is the one, the go to girl. So that is valued at 2,999, almost 3,000 US dollars. But we are giving it to you for 400, not just for today, for always. 497 US dollars plus 75 US dollars as your activation fee. As I explained, the activation fee doesn't go to the program, to the company, that DMS company. It's going to the IT company. The IT company is building your website for you, building your domain, building for you that you can walk with the big dogs. That is what it is. Next, please. You can go next, Leandri. Yeah, Andre. Okay, I'm just gonna do it from my phone. Maybe she have internet
Okay.
problems. So I
I'm
just
back.
wanna, okay, what's going
Okay.
on?
Yeah. I think it is a network glitch, but let me quickly share my screen again. We try again
You see what I'm
from
talking about?
the.
Life is happening. Life is happening to all of us. So
It
we got a
is.
glitch. We are not tech savvy here, and that is why we invest in a done for you program. So we don't need to be tech savvy. Oh my goodness. We have people that do these things for us. We are highly favored. Next, please. The next slide.
Mhm. Why DMS is different?
Yes. Why DMS is different? Because you're not starting from scratch. Because most courses teach theory, but DMS give you a done for you system, ready to use assets and a clear starting point. Number two, you don't have complicated tech setup because everything is done for you. You don't stress about payment gateways. I know Namibians, I'm a Namibians don't have payment gateway. We still don't have one. Can you believe it? So there is so many programs out there, but Namibians cannot. But now you don't have an excuse. You can start without a payment gateway because you get your money paid inside your bank account. You don't need website coding and all these fancy tech things. You don't need to be tech overwhelmed. You can focus on learning and earning first. Leave the tech for the tech people. You don't need to have your own product. You can start with a proven product. You can start with a done for you, but we will learn you and teach you how you can create your own digital product and brand it later. When you are confident, when you like the space. Yeah. Next, please.
Just more
Okay.
about why it's different.
Yes, the content already is mapped out for you. You don't have to guess, get up in the morning. Oh my goodness, what must I post today? No more staring at a blank screen, wondering what to post. You get content ideas, you get messaging, you get strategy. You're walking with the big talks. And it's a system, not just a random posting thingy. You get content, you get your page, you follow up, and the sales come. You don't hoping to get viral. You don't posting all day, and you're not guessing what works because we already did the trial and error inside this program. Next, please. Okay,
This
and this
isn't
is
about pressure.
pressure. This definitely not about pressure. It's about asking yourself where you find yourself right now. Do I want my life to look exactly the same 3 months from now? Or well, do you want it to look much better or in a different position? Because change only happens when you take decision. Decisions I cannot take a decision for you. I cannot decide what is your next move. But what I can say is you have to ask you that you don't even have to answer me. You must ask yourself and go sit and think about it. Do I want my life to look exactly the same 3 months from now? Or do I want it to look different? The choice is yours. Life is all about choices. If you can remember Johnny Davids, he was one of the celebrities. He grew up in Namibia and he made a choice. I've read his, I've listened to so many podcasts of him after he passed away on the 16th of April. I've listened that at the age of, he said he was those days standard four, which mean is grade six now. It
Mm.
tells me that he was between 12 and 13 years old. He made a decision on that day when he was bullied, he was abused, and he was so poor. He ran away from poverty, abuse, and and bullying, and he made a choice. He ran away and he ran to family, not even knowing if they will accept him. He just made a choice, and what happened? It turned out so good that he lived a life that he always wanted to have. He lived a life and he made waves in the entertainment space, and he left a legacy behind. So life is all about choices. You don't have to sit there in your mess and think for yourself, oh, this is what life is, this is how my life is, and you are blaming the world around you. You are blaming the government because the petrol is rising. You are blaming your family, you are blaming the pastor, you are blaming everyone because life sucks. It's choices you have to make. I know you're not there where you want to be, but you have to make a choice. Am I going to take an opportunity and start running my race without knowing anything, but knowing there's a community that back me up? That is the kind of choices you have to make. I cannot make for you. I can promise you, I can give you all my support. In this community, you can get support till the end of days, but you have to make the choice. That is it. Next slide, please. I'm going to preach for the whole night. I'm just going to preach the whole time. Yes, yes, the funny, nice part. This is the very, very nice part. And guys, I'm an old lady. So I'm going to do this from my phone. Um, from my phone because I cannot see Leandra's screen. So next week, here's the thing. Leandra, you better do a drum roll for us now. Da-da-da-da. You're supposed to do the drum roll for us because you cannot miss this opportunity. Next week is your week, is your breakthrough week between the 18th and the 22nd of May. We are going I know people in high places. I know people that can do these things. People in high places, because I'm walking with the big dogs. And one of that big dogs that I'm walking with, oh my goodness, she is going to host. Da-da-da-da, drum roll. No, she's not a drum roll girl. No, 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 no. We must fire her. But she's going to host a 5-day income breakthrough challenge. It's officially open. You just need to invest in one of the DMS programs to be part and partial of this. Are you ready to walk away next week with so many information inside of you, with so many sales? I'm prophesying now. Yes. So this is one of the big dogs that I'm walking with. She's going to host this 5-day income breakthrough challenge where you literally she's going to focus on sales. So if you are now brand new in the online space, you didn't make a sale yet, or you want to start in the online space, there's no better time to start now, because I'm telling you, you're going to walk away with so many information. You're going to get clarity. You're going to take action because your confidence will be built. You're going to make sales and you're going to set people free, because you must remember one thing: the online space is not about I want to make money overnight, I want to become a millionaire overnight. No, the more you serve, the more you get. It's the same biblical principle: the more you sow, the more you reap. And that is what it is. This 5-day income breakthrough challenge will change the whole direction of your 2026. And honestly, this is the type of support I wish I had when I started in the online space. I was scared as hell. I wasn't confident. I was so flippant scared for every single thing. And I think everything will break when we touch here. But you know what? You can set your family free from the get go. The last 6 months of 2026 can be your best 6 months ever, because God is rewriting your story. You don't have to sit in your mess. You don't have to sit where you are now. God is busy rewriting your story. And I want to invite you inside this community. I want you to be part and partial of this. I want you to take part in that 5-day income breakthrough challenge. Even if you're new in the online space, even if you want to start on now, our normally if you start with the DMS program, whether you start with a pro, whether you start with a starter, you must remember your setup is done within 24 hours. So the sooner you start, the sooner your setup can be done, and then you can be part of this 5-day income breakthrough challenge. And I'm telling you, if you participate, if you be consistent the next 5 days, The 18th of the 22nd of May can completely change your family's life, can completely change the direction of your 2026. But what did I say? It's all about choices. You have to make that choice. You must decide, am I going for it or am I not going for it? Because if 5 days can change your life, your rest, if things didn't work out for you since January till now, it's not your fault. You are stuck. You didn't know where to fight. There's too many noises on the internet, but now you don't have an excuse. You can jump in. We are two coaches. You can decide with which one you go. We are both of us. We love people. We love on you. We run with you. We're going to make you successful. And for the next 5 days, your income breakthrough is here. So you have to make a choice. The decision is yours. I cannot make the decision for you, but the only thing I can offer you is my time. I can push you, I can run with you, and I can celebrate every single win with you. Next slide, please. If
Questions?
uh, the questions that I normally get every single day. Do I need to show my face? Oh my goodness, I already told you inside the program there's a faceless marketing strategy. So you don't need to show your face. Be an Apple, be a Nike. They don't show their faces, but they are so successful. So call yourself the Apple girl or the Nike girl. That is what you do if you want to go faceless. Isn't the online space saturated? No. 1,000 times no. Just moment. 1,000 times now, because this becomes in, I think in 2030, a trillion, I can't even say $1 trillion industry. So you better jump in now. There's no more time to play small. You have so much work to do. You jump in, we run the race with you. What would I even sell? You don't sell the vehicle. You are promoting the outcome. What would people get if they start with the DMS right now? They get the freedom that they always wanted, they get financial freedom, they get time freedom, and that is it. It's an educational program. Is this actually what legit? Is it not a scam? By now, you must know this is not a scam. Oh my word. We are so many people doing it right now. That cannot be a scam. Learning skills cannot be a scam. Unfortunately, not. So, next, please. Okay, there's it
Just a
again.
thing.
Is it saturated? No, it's growing toward $1 trillion by 2030. And we are 3 years away from 2030. We are literally 3 years away. Where do you want to stand in the next years? Is this a scam? Oh, no, no. Real digital products with real value cannot be a scam. Oh, no. Nothing changes if nothing changes. I want that to sink in tonight. Nothing changes if nothing changes. So if you don't make the change, I cannot go and grab you by the throat and say, you must buy. I'm not selling. I'm not forcing people. I'm just telling it completely changed my family's life and it can change yours too. Yours too. The one thing, the internet doesn't sleep at night. And that is the beauty of the internet, building an income or building a business on the internet. Your businesses or your videos or your content will always work for you 24/7. So I want to ask you this question. Who is ready to make 2026 looking different? The choice is yours. All comes down to choices. You have to make a choice. You have to decide, am I going to sit there where I sit now? Am I going to be happy where I am now? Or am I going to say, come hell, come high water? I'm going to start learning digital skills that completely change my family's life. They completely change the way I look at income again and completely help other people how they can earn online. Are you ready? That's the only thing I need to ask you. So that is it. That's my story. It, that is it. Okay, over to Leandri.
Thank you. Thank you, Leonie. I think that was quite a mouthful, and I think in between we actually had some. We had Frauni who joined us now. Yeah, so very grateful that you could make it. Um, Yeah, it was really just to give you more about what it is. This is a unique opportunity given the support that is available next week. Like Leonia said, it also takes time for things to be set up. So if there was a better time in terms of, between now and Monday, that definitely just, give you that opportunity to get yourself set up and take advantage of this. Like Leonia said, we are two coaches. So, what we will have available soon on our platform is just the introduction video. What I said to Leonia is, if we look at the traction that we've started to get to our community, many of the people we actually personally really don't know. You may have seen or seen an acquaintance here or there, but it's really perhaps when you hear us talking to you that you may find like, sure, I know I can connect with Leonie, or I can connect with Leandri. So what you can look forward to is definitely an introduction video of ourselves, just telling you more about us, our background, and just how eager we are to take you along with us on this journey. But it's very exciting, and we're excited with you and for you. And yeah, we can't wait to engage more. Leonie?
Leandri, if you can quickly show inside our classroom just the cover pages of the two coaches that is there. So when they decide to buy, they can just go inside the one that they want to go for, if you don't mind.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Yes.
You
Thank you.
the sharer, the screen sharer.
So I think if there's one thing
Right.
Leon and I definitely know is um, each other's strengths. So what helps is, yeah, we draw on each other's strengths. So as you know, this is our community. That is where you'll be able to communicate. If you've got any questions, please feel free to use this, engage. Also, by engaging, you are able to, move levels, which eventually can unlock even more benefits. There's already one course waiting for those of you that may be unfamiliar in this space. There's actually a course waiting when you get to level 3 that will be absolutely free. Then here we are with the various opportunities that's available to us. I just quickly want to change my view in the way in which you are likely to see it. It's not working now right now, but here we are. We You have information about Leonie in terms of should you be interested in joining her. This is where you'll find information about what she's doing and the links that you can click on, and then you'll find myself as well, where you can have a look, and we will put our videos in there. And then maybe you can just, hear a little bit more from us in terms of our experience. And then, yeah, and then there's the coaching opportunity that will also be available to you. So, just so that you know, so some of the things, like for example, the coaching is a paid opportunity, but you've got the DMS information for free. You've got the beginner's guide on level 3 that you'll be able to access. Soon the affiliate programs will also be available, and then we are saving all of our communication. Right. So that was our classroom. Please also have a look at our calendar. That is where you'll find like the invitation of today and the various sessions that's upcoming. There's something that Leonie will be doing on Mondays. I'll be doing something on Wednesdays, and we've got here and there you'll find something special like tonight, where we hope to make sure that you don't miss that engagement. Okay. All right, Leonie, anything else? Anything you think I've missed?
No, I just want to say thank you for each and every one that attended tonight. I am so proud of each and every one, and I'm so pumped that you stay till the end. Make use of our bonuses. It's expiring at Friday midnight at 12. If you still want to just get inside the community, get inside, do your thing, and let's grow together. I'm very, very proud of this community. It's like a new baby to me. It's a little one that I'm nurturing, that I am so proud of. And we're going to make waves in the online space. We're going to do it together. I don't know it all. Leandri didn't know it all. We need you to come with us, to take hands, and we can learn always from each other. There's so many things in the online space that we can learn from each other. There's so many opportunities in the online space that we can share with each other. But it's all about choices. Go back to choices. So I'm proud of each and every one. Get back to one of the coaches and let's go and grow together. Bye bye.
Bye.